DIY leaf shredder. Save time and money, keep yard waste under control and compost more efficiently with the do-it-yourself leaf shredder. Don't spend hours stuffing dried leaves into garbage bags, or paying top dollar for professional lawn waste removal services. Making a few adjustments to your standard rotary lawnmower can turn it into a leaf shredder that cuts down on lawn waste in no time. A homemade leaf shredder also lets you to turn those shredded leaves into rich compost that your garden plants will love. Things you will need: rotary mower, mulching blade or special leaf shredding attachments, wrench. Disable the lawnmower completely by removing the spark plugs. Using the wrench, remove the nuts and bolts that keep the original grass cutting blade secured in place. Modify your mower by replacing the old blade with either a mulch or leaf shredding blade, making sure the new attachment is in the correct position. The availability of blades and attachments will depend on your mower model and manufacturer. Secure the new blade on your mower by tightening it in place with the original nuts and bolts. Tips warnings. For easier removal of the original lawnmower blade, lodge a block of wood into the mower deck to keep the blade from spinning as you remove the nuts and bolts. If you can't find a mulch or leaf shredder blade for your mower at local home improvement stores, contact the original manufacturer to see if they sell attachments. Shredding leaves and other yard waste may produce flying particles. Use protective eyewear and work gloves when using your leaf shredder.